Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. She posted again. Thank you. Today we're gonna be doing a little wig install. Bro, tell me why I was supposed to get this wig installed professionally, but it didn't work out. And bro, if I mess this up, I'm actually gonna cry. I'm so scared. Cause I was like, okay, I got hair sent to me by UNice hair. And it's like I gotta make him proud, I'm not gonna mess this up. But yeah, this is a hair, very nice box. We're gonna open it up, see what she got inside. Oh, I've already opened it, let me not pretend. It has some really cool shit. What did it have? I already took it out the box. What was it? It had something that I already took out the box. I'll remember it if I do. But it has this really pretty scarf. Bro, I love silk scarves. So you got a silk scarf. You got these hair clips, which I needed. So thank y'all. Wig cap. What was the thing I took out the box? Damn. Bitch, I forgot. But we finna look at the wig. When I saw the color, I was like, yeah. I ain't never did this one before. So this is she. She is me. I dropped it. But I picked it back up, bitch. Look at her. Okay, so this is the wig. We're gonna be installing it. First, I have to go through the professional process. We're gonna pluck her. I think she's pre-plucked already. I'm gonna have the details somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, pluck the hairline. I don't really think there's much I need to do. I'm gonna bleach the knots. I honestly think I could just spray them. My lazy ass, we finna spray the knots. Yeah, spray the knots, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna pluck her, and yeah, bitch. Wait. She's soft, she's pretty. So far, no tangling. I've been running my fingers through it. We ain't seen none come out yet. She smells normal. Should I probably still wash her? I probably should. You should though. I mean, damn, that's part of the whole professional process, huh? Still not gonna wash it. This is what it looked like once I started plucking, the side I started plucking on. I went a little bit after the hairline and the parting space, and it may not look like much, but compared to the other side, this is what I started with. I did something, And it's tracking the back, so there's not really that much room to do the whole melting into your scalp thing. But I tried. My ass. I don't think you're gonna be able to hear me. If you do, the voiceover will play. If you don't, I'm gonna talk over it. Wait, no. If you do hear me, I'm gonna keep talking. If you don't hear me, the voiceover will play. But why does it sound empty? I feel like a gill. Something. But I don't know if I should dye this or the wig cap. Cause if I make this darker, bro, if I mess this up, but it's she's still kind of cute. She's pretty, I guess. But I'm gonna get it together. And I think it was just the middle part that was throwing me off. Because with a little side part, there goes your boost of confidence. So I went ahead, started to tint the lace. You can see, it's a little bit dark. I put it against my skin, and that's when I noticed the shit was too dark. But I didn't say nothing because it was dark. So I was like, okay. Went ahead, sprayed the rest of it. Went crazy. High key, I think I was running out for a good reason. That was God trying to tell me not to do it. But yeah, I did it anyways. Look at her. You can't tell, but you could tell. I'm Hannah Montana. That's better. Yeah. I should have just left it where I was and just had the freaking lace tinted, but I went ahead and did the cap too, which made it too dark in the end. But we were able to finesse it. Yeah. Look at me running out, bro. I'm still trying to spray it and shit. Like, bro, you don't need to spray no more. And then I go ahead and make things worse. Trying to put the stuff on the side. Look at her. Wait for it. Yeah. Girl, what are you doing? Anyways, we're going to ignore that I did that. Get your glue. You're going to put it then later, wait for it to dry. Put it then later, wait for it to dry. Do that like 3-4 times. And then we ready to lay down. Yay. Easiest way of application I've seen it done is to do the little dot method all around the hairline. And then I spread it out, but you got to be careful because that shit will get tacky on you. Spread it out thin layers. You're going to do this a couple times. Wait for the shit to dry. Wait for the shit to dry, bro. Don't get fucking impatient and then go put another layer. Wait for the stuff to get clear. Did I wait for the stuff to get clear? I don't know. Mind your business. But I went ahead, put the wig cap on top, and now we're going to do the same process to the top of the wig. Make sure she's stuck, because later we're going to cut off the access of the perimeter. Like I'm doing right now. But make sure, bro, I think it's one of those things about taking your time that I didn't freaking do. But the little like border of the cap, you want to make sure that is not where you are cutting, okay? Because as you can see, this side is smooth and this side is literally living a double life. Like there's two of them for no reason. But there is a reason. I didn't take my time. But it's okay, because I'm a finesse it. Like, you would have never known she was there. Just kidding. Woo, dirty. I've gone ahead, cut all the cap off. Not the smoothest, but it works. Even my little ponytail in the back had to go, too. But she was cute for a minute. Went back and put on Goldilocks, which is what I chose to name the wig, which I think is only appropriate. Get your wig in position. Make sure you have enough lace on the side to work with so there's not a shortage. And I'm going to cut it in 3 sections, and then we're going to spray, put it down, spray, put it down. Right? Put it down. Wait, I already started one cut. That's going to be my first section, so I'm going to do all of this at once. I lied. I'm going to start in the middle. Because I was like, get this part secured, and then you can finesse the sides. But if you got the sides stuck and a little bit of, yeah. I don't have time. So you're gonna go ahead, spray. Not like that. LMFAO, bro. How's that audacity to say not like that? But you're gonna wait for it to dry and then go ahead and bring your unit down. Slowly. Take your time. Stick her down. Get a comb or something to like press it down with. Or like, yeah, comb through it with. If you press it down, it's going to get stuck and tacky and it's going to start to show. But yeah, go through, comb through slowly. Wait for it to dry. And then go do your other sections. You're just going to repeat the same process throughout all the sections that you cut if you chose to cut them and follow my direction. I'm just playing, no. Go ahead and cut them, though. I mean, not cut them, comb them. Oops. I did it off camera, but I went ahead, wrapped my hair, blow dried them, and then I just took it off just like that. We are seeing the after. Oh, I did put it in. Oops, I lied. But blow dried it, looking like Beyonce. Durkin Dave. Clack, 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 clack. I know you heard the round of applause. Let me stop. Okay, back to being professional. Go ahead. We're gonna start cutting the lace. High key, so I started cutting, and I had to pull it up, and I realized this shit was stuck to my forehead, bro. Call back Gorilla Glue girl, because I need to find out how she got that shit out. Man, that shit really did hurt. It really did hurt. And it's like, look at it, bro. It's giving elementary crafts project. Like, sad as hell. I'm actually messing it up, but it still could be saved. You know, I'm not finna give up. Even at times where it looks like I should, I'm not gonna give up. I got me some alcohol with some paper towels, wiped off the excess glue, smoothed it out a little bit. Looking a little bit better. You feel me? If you have my eyesight. If you have 20/20 vision, you can see what you're not supposed to. But, you know, it's looking like, I was like trying to, you know, look at her. And it's like, look at her. You know, she's looking big. He's looking. I hope that made sense. But she's cute. Like, this is a forgiving wig, okay? I've made my mistakes, but she still hasn't let me down because why she still look good? Went ahead with some baby hairs. No, you saw that. But shh, no, you didn't. I got my got to be, and I started with the edges. Okay, so this first swoop that I did is very much giving trust the process because if you look at it, you're going to be like, Ayo, come on now. I know you're not. I know you did not just do that and post this. But listen, I got it together eventually. Eventually I did. In this moment, I did not have it together. Alright? That ka-chow ass fucking swoop, like, she was cute, but it's just a concept that's happening at the root that's not really helping the dream I'm trying to sell. Unfortunately for y'all, I actually lost the rest of the footage of me installing the actual wig. But because I do like to take pictures of myself, bitch, I got you. I mean, I don't have a demonstration, but I got an explanation. I'm dead. All the inconsistencies in this video towards the end, yeah, I'm sorry. I lost some footage, try to make it a, I don't know, but y'all gonna see what you have to. You saw the majority of the install, and this is the hair. I think I've had it on for like 3-4 days now. Yeah, I braided it up. I was gonna do, the final look, but like, I guess. But I'll put like pictures, clips, videos, just like in between so y'all can see how I finished up. Very nice. She moves, stiff nowhere. Like, I might as well take it out for y'all right now. But yeah, UNice hair, I'm gonna have the details, motherfucking never wear. People have been asking me the color. I forgot the specific color, but I'll have it somewhere. I braided it up. It takes curls well. Like, this is some beautiful hair, boy. It's my first time with this company. Ain't gonna be the last, bitch. I'm coming back. But yeah, very beautiful hair. I do need to work on my installs, making them, I need to work on my installs to try to make them look better. But apart from that, the hair spoke for itself, my friend. It spoke for itself. Very nice hair. I don't even know what to say about it. Like, you can manipulate. I'm pretty sure you could dye it if you want, but like, bitch, why would you do that? Get a different color. Yeah, she moves. She's still soft. I haven't oiled. I need to go buy more oil, but I haven't oiled her. She's still moving. She's still soft. Not like much shedding or fucking tingling. I don't know, bitch. I'm still sitting here talking about this hair. Merch, it's not in your cart yet. Like, I know YouTube don't let you play videos when you're not there, but you could have paused, put it in your cart, and came back, bitch. No, I'm just playing. Not you. You're not a bitch. You're my friend. But yeah, this is she is me, and we are both meant to be because, like, I like with the braids out. Wait. I just braided it up because I kept putting it in a bun, and I was like, I'm gonna mess up the curls anyways. Let me just braid it. But no. I'm swaying. But yeah, very messy video. I'm gonna try to do better, bro. But thank you for watching. A new video coming before the end of this month. I'm just waiting on. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna have a new video posted hopefully next week. But y'all know me. But yeah, that was a nice little install review video. And just know, like, out of everything, I'd never cap to y'all about some hair. If the hair ain't hitting, I'm gonna tell you the hair ain't hitting, okay? But this bitch hit, split, and them little clips that it came with, bitch, I've been using them motherfuckers like nobody business. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna have the link for the hair in the description box below. Like, subscribe, comment if you need to. Go get the hair, bitch. Like, with your birthday coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, what you finna do with your hair? Do this.